In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on IFX Broker. Now, of course, whenever you create your account and you're inside your dashboard, you have several options. You could use MT4, MT5, or the web trader over here for either MT5 or their web trader. However, of course, a lot of people will select MetaTrader, so I'm just going to show you how to get started really quickly on MetaTrader 5. So to actually start trading, again, you can use any of these methods. I'm just going to select MT5 for now. And what you can do is just create an account, go over here in your dashboard, click on new demo, or of course new real account in case you want a real account, and then you'll be able to select MT5 or MT4. I'm going to do MT5 here, and then I'm going to select the currency. I'm going to do a demo standard, and then that's cool. The leverage is okay. You have to type in your profile password and then click on submit request, and your account will be created. Now, whenever you do that, you'll receive your account number and your password on your screen as well as onto your email. So make sure you actually write those down because we're going to need it in just a few seconds. And whenever you do it, then the second step is to actually open up MT5, so the platform here, and then you can just click on File, top left, click Open an Account, go in here and click on IFX, and then type in Brokers. There we go, click on Find Your Company, and it's going to find IFX Brokers. Click on them and click on Next. Here, you want to click on Connect with existing trade account. Just basically use the login you received. It's going to be like a long number. And when you do that, you basically paste that in or type that in, type in your password, or just copy and paste it from the email you received. And then the server, you can leave it as it is. Click on Finish. And as you can see over here, I already am connected to my account. I am on IFX Brokers, and this is the demo account, okay? And now, basically, you can just trade in here inside the MetaTrader, okay? So you could go ahead, create new orders, you could select different things you want to trade, different symbols, etc. Okay, so whatever you want to do here, you could use it as you'd be able to do on any MetaTrader 5 with any account. So if you need a MetaTrader 5 tutorial on how to actually use MetaTrader 5 for like a deeper understanding and stuff like that, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube you can go watch to actually know how to use this platform, but this is one of the better ways to actually use it with MT5. Yet again, you could still just use their web platform as I showed you, or the MT4 in case you're more familiar with that. You can trade on all of these. All of these are the options. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.